What's up everyone, watching Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Play Store not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing Play Store not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s, so to fix the issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.